the Explorer. Dora explores colors. And stay tuned after the story for the unboxing and giveaway. See the huge haul of National Geographic books that you can win. Hi, I'm Dora. I live in a yellow house. Do you see other yellow things? My best friend Boots lives in a brown treehouse. What other brown things do you see? Benny lives in a red barn. Do you see anything else that's red here? Tico lives in a tree in the nutty forest. The leaves on his tree are green. What else is green in the nutty forest? There is the foxhole on Blueberry Hill, where Swiper the fox lives. What other things are blue on Blueberry Hill? We found a rainbow of colors today. What colors can you find where you live? All right, it's time for another giveaway. This time, my friends at Media Masters Publicity and my good friends at National Geographic sent me this huge package of National Geographic books. So we're going to open them up, see what's inside, and stay tuned because what's in this package, you're actually going to get a chance to actually win all these books. So stay tuned to see what you can win. So let's take our scissors and open this up. So excited. I love doing giveaways. So I've got my, don't forget, I've got my Funko Pop giveaway that's happening right now as well. I'll actually link the link to that video below in the description box, so you can check out that contest as well. So anyways, let's see. Let's go one by one here. All right, let's put the scissors away. Okay, so the first book is Don't Read This Book Before Dinner. Okay, let's see what this one's about. Revolting true tales of foul food, icky animals, horrible history, and more. Okay, well, that looks kind of gross. Yeah, so there's the back there. Calling all fans of the gross, the icky, and the downright disgusting. This is the book for you. There we go. Let's take a quick peek. Ew. Germ detective quiz. Ew, gross, gross, gross. Okay, so I guess if you like really gross things, I guess this is the book for you. All right, so that's the first book you can win. Let's check out the next one. The next one is Surprising Stories Behind Everyday Stuff. Okay, well, this one we can read before supper. Who invented lipstick? Why do people shake hands? What popular toy was invented by accident? Interesting. Look at all those pictures. I love National Geographic books. They're filled with information, beautiful pictures, so educational. I just love them so much. They're one of my favorites. Just love that. Blue jeans, utensils, popcorn. Very, very cool. Like that one. So that's book number 2 that you can win in this haul. All right. The next book is Code This. Puzzles, games, challenges, and computer coding concepts for the problem solver in you. This actually could probably be for any age, really. Whether you're an aspiring computer scientist or just casually curious about coding, this book is for you. Oh, wow. Very cool. So if you're into computers, there we go. Coding concepts. Wow. Very, very cool. There's some puzzles. Very, very cool. Like that. All right, so that is book number 3. You can win a part of this haul. All right. So the winner is actually going to receive all these books. So it's going to be one huge haul with all these books. You'll get the whole set that I'm showing you today. These will all be going out to one lucky winner. All right, the next one is the Book of Queens. All right. So we got the Queen there. Okay. Different. I don't know. Oh, okay, maybe I was going to say, why would Beyonce be on there? But I guess they're calling her the Queen of Pop, maybe? Say Monarch of Music, so I don't know if maybe they mean maybe she's the Queen of Pop? I don't know. All right, so get ready to read amazing stories of legendary leaders, revolutionary rebels, powerful princesses, and more mighty monarchs who prove that girls totally rule. Oh, well, that's kind of cool, actually. So it's all girls. Let's take a quick peek in this one. This one's a hardcover. Queens of Industry, Queens of the Deep. So it's all just different queens, leaders. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. There she is. My favorite comic book hero. I love Wonder Woman. I've loved Wonder Woman since I was a little girl. She's my favorite. Aretha Franklin, sports, news. Oh, wow. Very, very cool. What a cool book. I like that one. Book of Queens. That's the next one. So I wonder if there's going to be a Book of Kings then. There's one of Queens. Oh, yeah. Here we go. The Book of Kings. So we've got, oh, okay, King of the Court. I was going to say, what? And The Rock. Okay. Maybe they consider him King of the Screen? I don't know. He is in quite a few movies, so that's kind of interesting. Get ready to read amazing stories of legendary leaders, revolutionary rebels, powerful princes, and mighty monarchs. All decide who is the king of them all. All right. Let's take a peek at this one. This one's also a hardcover. Okay, King of Computers. There we go. 3D printing, sports, fighting. So Muhammad Ali back there. So B.B. King, Elvis Presley, of course. The king himself. Monarchs. Oh, T'Challa. Very cool. That is a very cool book. All right, what is next? Let's see. Oh. Looks like there's just one more left in this package. It is and this one is thick. Look at that one. Encyclopedia of American Indian History and Culture. Stories, timelines, maps, and more. Oh, wow. And this is, look at how thick that is. This is a huge, it's a hardcover. It is a huge book. Wow. Let's take a look at the back of that. Complete with compelling tribal stories told by tribal members and customs passed down through the ages. Historical milestones and profiles of prominent modern-day leaders. Encyclopedia of American Indian History and Culture is a richly illustrated and authoritative family reference. Very nice. There's more information there. And of course, if you don't win the giveaway, all these books are available now in your local bookstores. So if you're interested in any of these, you can definitely go and pick them up. There we go. Wow, what beautiful pictures. Look at those. Very beautiful. Packed full of information. Lovely. What amazing books to give to somebody for Christmas. Great for students, actually for all ages, but especially for students. Like, all this stuff is just packed full of information. Very educational. Very nice. What a beautiful book. Very nice. All right, so let's just review and go over everything here. So There is the Encyclopedia of American Indian History and Culture, so you will get that. There was the Book of Kings, the Book of Queens. There was Code This. Don't read this book before dinner. And the surprising stories behind everyday stuff. So one lucky subscriber is going to win all these books just for you. And it's super, super easy to enter. So the contest starts today and it will end November 20th, midnight Eastern Standard Time. The winner will be announced in Friday, November 22nd video, so stay tuned for that. It's open to US and Canada residents only. And to enter, like I said, it's super, super easy to enter. Be subscribed to my channel, so hit that subscribe button right now so you don't forget. Give this video a thumbs up, so hit that thumbs up button and like this video. And I just want you to add NG, which stands for National Geographic. I just don't want you to have to spell out National Geographic. It's quite long, so I just thought we'll shorten it to NG. If you can add NG to your comment below, so that way I know that you want to be entered into the contest, and I will add your name to the contest. And once again, don't forget to enter my Funko Pop giveaway. Link to that contest will be in the description box below as well. I'll leave a link for that contest. So I've got 2 contests going right now. So make sure that you enter them both. They're both amazing, amazing prizes. So good luck to everyone for both contests and this one too. Good luck to you. Once again, thank you very much to my friends at Media Masters Publicity and National Geographic for sending me this haul of books, and also supplying a second set for a very, very lucky winner to win all these books. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Dora the Explorer stories, check out my Dora the Explorer playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you. See you next time.